Friends, I'll be there for you when you know it.
Unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Bougie when I'm broke, so I'm bougie when I'm popping. I've been working, stock went up, check my price, then I text my education. Now my fashion gonna cost a couple racks. I don't need a sugar daddy, they call me when they eat stacks. See,
Hey, my setup is hecka ratchet, but I want to get this package open, and I'm not waiting. So therefore, I'm recording. I'm gonna record this part of me unboxing it so we can see this t-shirt, and later on, I'm gonna make it look cute and get all dressed up with it. And how did they close this box? Like, I don't care. I want to see my t-shirt. Let's go. They didn't even close this box correctly, because how it's supposed to be. If I break it now, they owe me money. I hate that they put the boxes inside out. Goodness gracious. And look, my ratchet setup is getting messed up. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, let me see. I got them in white and I got one gray. Oh my gosh, she likes my black. What? Y'all ready? I have to call Jess to show her this because she loves the show, so she's gonna love this. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, look at my hashtag. Let me see. My black friend lives matter. Oh, you can't see it. Rebellious Papiyon. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Yes. My black friends lives matter. Hashtag Rebellious Papiyon. Period. Yes. And then I got it in the gray too. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. Yeah, I'm about to call Jess right now to show her this because she's about to love this. I was waiting to show her. All right. And I'm going to get back to y'all in a couple minutes. To y'all, it's going to be seconds. To me, it's going to be in a little bit of time because I got to go take a shower because I just came home from work. But I was excited to open this package. So, I'm going to see y'all in a few. All right. So, this is the tea. My black friends' lives matters. Hashtag Rebellious Papiyon. You see a little wetness there, so I just dropped my juice on my shirt. But yeah, I just paired it. I said that I want to show you a little fit. I just paired it with a denim skirt, and I have, of course, my earrings from Black Golds. Make sure to put that down in the bio, in the description, whatever. But yeah. This is my new addition that I'm going to be adding probably sometime this week. And I love it. It's so like, it came out so good. And for my people who are like, oh, my black friends' lives matter. Y'all know this logo. It's from the show Friends. Like, Friends. You know it. Yeah, that Friends. And this is me. This is my creation. And that's why you see hashtag Rebellious Papiyon, because it's mine. This is my shirt right here. I'm going to add it on the site. So far, I only have the white color. I'm trying to see if I can get it in black. And I have small, medium, large, and extra large. I'm working on getting bigger sizes and working on getting men's. Because I showed some of my guy friends and they're like, bro, I want that shirt. I want it. So yeah, this is new. This is it. I love it. Don't forget to check out Black Golds. Love my earrings from my girl. Also, you know, there's a bunch of other stuff y'all can check out on the website. Soon I'll be coming on, like, you know, little tips and stuff about starting your own business. And we're gonna get there and shazam and pajam. And that's really it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll be back next week. I've been doing good. You guys have been doing good. You're checking in on me. y'all, you know, leaving your comments, y'all liking. I love it all. Until further, not further notice, what do we say? Until I see y'all again, okay? DT, that's not what I'm calling myself. Deanna, Deanna T is out. I'm gonna get the hang of that, right? Bye, y'all.